So in this, you're not actually selling the product, you're selling the cause. I'm not comfortable telling you use this soap, this problem would go, that problem would go, and things like that. You won't feel like you're working, and everything you do will just start clicking. Core workaround, and that will surely help you out. Maybe it'll take time, but after a year or two, or even to yourself, it doesn't matter. You want to build a house, you say, I'm going to build a house, I'm starting a brand for this. A problem which your vicinity faces, your area. For example, which we feel will benefit the people who are watching, and so the cycle happens. I don't think you think of spending 50 rupees. Right? It has become immaterial. And when we're going to sell our products, maybe we price it at around 100 or 200. The money becomes immaterial at a point of time. So where they buy it for their satisfaction, and we feel that it gives them. So you choose it, you generate content according to it, and you have products to support the cause. So in this, you're not actually selling the product, you're selling the cause. Okay. So that you leverage it, and that is one problem which I personally have faced. I started off with a soap brand, and see, I'm not comfortable telling you use this soap, this problem would go, that problem would go, and things like that. And here my advantages are, I have a little bit of engineering background, and I like doing things by myself, and so we have evolved into a place where you get everything in one place. So I've played on my strengths. If you can identify your strengths and play on it, it'll be very very organic, and you won't feel like you're working, and everything you do will just start clicking.
I also done BTech mechanical.
Okay. There can be even generate, making some small instruments for people around. So you have a mechanical background, and if you're trying to place your brand as helping people around, make small machineries for people around your vicinity, so they can also develop their livelihood. Bring that up as a content, so you're actually helping people, and that is making you reach a lot of people, and which in turn generates sales. Yeah. This not only this, it can be for anything. But keep generating content as your core workaround, and that will surely help you out. Maybe it'll take time, but after a year or two, I think it'll
reach will be more.
It'll surely give you growth. Because see, today our followers on YouTube is just some 8,000 or something. And there are people with about 45,000-50,000 followers who don't do the amount of sale that we do. End of the day, our business is measured in sales. So that I think would be because I didn't look at the numbers, the number of followers we have or anything like that. So we post content which we feel is true, which we feel will benefit the people who are watching, and so the cycle happens. Yeah.
And to start off, what will you suggest from start where?
Anything where you can identify a problem, something like that. That should resonate with the people around your place. It can be even a problem which your vicinity faces, your area. For example, you take E-Road for example. Here there are a lot of agricultural based people where they're not able to go and sell their products properly. So I can even make a brand which facilitates that. So we buy materials from the local farmers, we share the stories of the local farmers, and apart from that, we give a small percentage to facilitate their sales. Maybe set up a truck or something, get their produce and give it to people. Something that resonates with the people around your
first
region.
I have to find a problem.
Something, it can be anything,
but I have to alleviate that with that problem with my products.
Correct. Because there are n number of soaps today. There are n number of soaps. And I manufacture for so many brands that I don't even remember their names. So we manufacture for so many brands. But everything should have something unique. Because there is about 10 years back, there weren't so many resources, things like that.
Yeah.
Today, there's abundance of resources.
Very much.
Yeah. So it's more for the emotional satisfaction than for the product
Okay.
that I think would work. And the other problem we have is we can't make products which are very cheap.
Yeah.
You can't go compete with the bigger companies in price.
Yeah.
So we need to choose a small niche within our comforts, and which we think we can contribute the best.
Something contribute to the society
Yes,
and in turn bring the sales.
yes. Not only society, it can be anything. Anything.
To anyone.
To anyone. Or even to yourself, it doesn't matter. You want to build a house, you say, I'm going to build a house, I'm starting a brand for this. You show the progress of the house, people automatically buy your products.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice idea.
If you look at the type of content which we watch, I think if somebody could start a brand saying that I'm going to build a house and I'm making products for funding my project, and they show the growth of the project,
Okay.
I think people would love to watch the project coming up, and they in turn would help you out, which generates into sales and things like that. Yeah,
Nice. Very good.
can be anything, but you just need to have
Yeah,
a cause. Yeah.